Yeah, but we better let Tyson in. Let's hurry. Someone's bound to call 911 about the explosion.
Doubt it. Dawes wouldn't want any cops around here. I'll find something to open the doors.
Anytime.
I bet that touch screen opens the door.
Here we go.
Well, it's nice to see you're both still alive. I'll say this, your former cop does has taste. Now that is a $24,000 coffee table.
You know those magazines for rich people that no rich person actually reads?
I subscribe to all of them. Unlike you two bivalves, I have an appreciation for the finer things.
Hey, come on. Just get the brute working on the vault.
Okay. Where the hell is it?
Oh, shit.
Good question.
Okay, everybody look around. Vault's gotta be here somewhere.
Did you scan around the fireplace yet?
Try using your scanner.
Douchebag.
Oh, hello.
Something tells me Dawes read a lot of comic books as a kid.
All right, here goes. Okay, there, that. That should do it. Okay, Brute, do your thing.
You're not gonna keep an eye on it?
It's not like it needs encouragement.
Guys, I got bad news.
Let me guess. Company. How many?
You remember my worst case scenario?
Yeah?
That many.
All right, they're coming. Get ready.
There's weapons in Dawes' office. Set up for these guys. Traps, explosives, anything you've got. They're gonna be coming at us down those hallways.
We need to slow these guys down.
Nick, if you've got trip mines, set them up now. Footsteps.
They're here.
On my mark, reach and clear. Let's all go stand.
Search everywhere.
Yeah,
I'll wait here.
Yes, sir.
Hey, you look over there?
These guys came to play rough.
Right out! If someone's here, keep an eye out.
Hey, did you look over there?
Get
much longer for the brood?
I don't know, maybe it'll beep when it's done. You know, like a microwave.
Oh shit, they cut the power.
Get ready, more coming. If you've got a night vision scope, now's the time to use it.
If not, check the weapons locker in Dawes' office.
I want flanks on both sides.
I'm gonna check it out.
Charlie squad, take the office.
Look around.
You.
Keep looking.
Dog said dead or alive, boys. You know the drill.
We got
Check
trouble.
over there.
Check over there.
Shoot first. Don't worry about questions.
Check over there.
Not good. Come on, look around.
Watch out for
No one
anything.
here.
Look all over.
Spread out.
Watch out.
Damn!
Make sure no one is here. Someone's here. Find them. Let's go. Keep pushing. Get this guy.
Hey, what's up?
Get out of there. I got this. Take him out. Get him out. There. Kill this. Watch it, man. Mendoza, watch it. Hey, Nick. Got one! Damn! Look out! Got him!
Mendoza, the brute cracked it.
Come on, baby. Holy shit, the vault's unlocked. Time to clean this place out. Get back!
Tyson! Oh, Jesus.
Kai?
He's alive. Black Vest saved him. Hey, stay with me, baby. I'm right here.
I'm with you.
Yeah. We gotta get him out of here. Come on.
The vault.
Get him.
He pulled the money.
Get him to the wire.
This way.
Dawes knew we were coming. You didn't get me.
I guess not. You are interestingly hard to kill.
We're not done. I'm not done!
You know what? I believe that. I do. So let's make it easy. I'm on Santa Rosada. It's not far.
I know where the fuck it is!
Then by all means, come find me, boy.
God damn